Hello everyone, this is Sobia, faculty of EVS in Tala Padmavati International School. Today we are going to discuss a topic of class 5 chapter 7, experiments with water. In this chapter we are going to learn about the objects which are going to sink in water and float in water based upon the material made. To understand this concept, here we start our lesson with an activity which we are going to see in our regular life. Here the name of a girl is Aisha. She was eagerly waiting for her dinner. She was waiting for her dinner because her mother was preparing her favorite food. The favorite food was puri and spicy potatoes, curry. When she was eagerly waiting, Aisha was watched. As it was too late, Aisha was watching mother when she was preparing puri. When she was watching, she has concentrated on the process which is made. The mother of Aisha has rolled the puri and she put into the hot oil. When the mother of Aisha put in the hot oil, she has seen that the puri sank at the bottom of the pan. When she was continuously watching the puri, after a few minutes, she has observed that the puri got puffed up and came up and it was floating on the oil. So when she was observing, she has observed one more puri which did not puffed up and did not float like all the remaining other puris have happened in the hot oil. When she has seen this, she was very curious, and she has taken some dough and she rolled it into a ball. After rolling it in a ball, she flattened it and she kept in a bowl of water. When she kept in the bowl of water, she has observed that the puri got sank to the bottom and it stayed there. The puri did not puff up and it did not float into the water when she was waiting to see the difference. Children, even you try to take the objects which are available to you in your surroundings and try to find out the objects which sink and which floats on the water. Here are the few of the things which are given. You can take a steel plate, you can take a cap of a plastic bottle. Suddenly, in the evening session, Aisha went for a bath. After some time, she heard a voice where mother of Aisha was calling her. Mother of Aisha said that, Aisha, you have dropped the soap in the water again. Take it out and put it in the soap case. When the process was going on, Aisha was little bit hurry to do the work and go back to her room. Suddenly the soap case fell out of her hands. When the soap case fell out of her hand, it was floating. When the soap case was floating, Aisha has taken the soap from the water which was sinked in the water and placed in the soap case. When she has observed, the soap case was floating, even though the soap was present in the soap case. Children, have you observed any of the things in your house which floats in the water and which gets sink into the water? To understand that, there is a poem which is given here. We'll try to understand. Why, oh why? A wooden boat in water will float, but a needle will sink. Why this happen? Let me think. So here, when a boat which is made up of wood is going to float onto the water, but when you take a small needle which has less weight, when you try to drop into the water, the needle is going to sink into the water. Why there is a difference? Wood is going to have a lot of weight, whereas the needle is having a less weight. Then two needles sinks into the water, but the boat floats on the water. One more thing, an iron ship will also float, though it's much heavier than my boat. Not only that, not only wooden boat, the iron boats are also going to float onto the water. But the needle, light as a leaf, thin as a pin, will sink right in. Why does this happen? Let me think. So this is a thinking of a boy. What he is thinking, when the wooden boat is of very high weight and iron boat is of high weight, they are not sinking inside to the water, they are floating on the water. But the needle which is having a lesser weight as compared to the leaf of a weight of a leaf, so that needle is going to sink into the water. So he is having a lot of questions why this is happening. Here you need to mark the things that float on water, and you need to cross for those that sink. So here are some of the things which are given. Try to do this experiment and try to answer this question. For example, first one is given as empty bowl, that is katori, a small bowl. So you need to guess before doing it. You need to take a small bowl and you need to place it into the water. What will be your guess? Feel that if your guess is right, take it here. And after some time, do the activity by taking a small bowl and just place it on the water. When you place it in water, if it is sinking, keep it as cross mark. If it does not sink, just tick it. You need to guess an answer first, and you need to do the activity later. Guessing and an activity answer, you check whether they are same or not. So still few more examples are given where you need to do the activity and find out. You need to guess an answer first, then you need to find out by doing the experiment. After doing this experiment, children, there are few of the questions which are given where you need to answer based on the answers which you have obtained after doing an activity. And next, children, the next day, when Aisha woke up in morning, mother of Aisha was suffering with fever. When she was suffering with fever, father of Aisha made some tea and he has given medicines to the mother of Aisha. After giving the medicines to the mother of Aisha, the father of Aisha told him that to boil the eggs. While boiling the eggs, he suggested Aisha to add little quantity of salt in the water. When she listened this, she went to kitchen and she has taken a pot full of water. But here, by mistake, he has taken a lot of salt in water. When she added a lot of salt in the water, the eggs which were at the bottom of the pot came little bit up and started to float in water. You can do this experiment by using lemon. In the first experiment, you shouldn't add any salt. After some time, the same experiment, add some salt and find out the difference, what is happening when the salt is added for both the experiments. Now here we are going to learn about a fact. So the name of a sea is Dead Sea. So why it is called as a Dead Sea, we are going to find it out now. So generally children, the oceans and seas which are present will be salty water. That means the water which we cannot use it for drinking. Among all the places, all the seas, the saltiest of all is the Dead Sea. The water which is present in the Dead Sea is the deadliest place. How salty? Imagine 300 grams of salt in 1 liter of water. In 1 liter of water, if you go on adding 300 grams of salt, so you will not be able to taste the food. Even you will not be able to taste the water which you have added with the salt. It would be very bitter. It would be very bitter immediately. Even if a person does not know how to swim, he would not drown into the sea. She will float in water as it is laying down on it. Next, we need to find out what dissolved, what did not. So one day, that is, it is Sunday, Aisha cousin brother, the name of the cousin brother is Hamid, so came to her house to play. So as it was a Sunday, the brother of Aisha came to home. When he came home, he said to her aunt, that is mother of Aisha, to make his favorite dish, shakkarpara, a sweet dish. So when after listening to this request of Hamid, the mother of Aisha said, let me come back from the market, then I will take some for you. So when she started doing the work, the mother of Aisha said that, why don't you help me? So you help me, I am going to make you a sweet dish. She suggested to take 2 bowls of water and put a bowl in a sugar in it. Mix it till it dissolves. Hamid thought, let me finish this work first, then I will watch TV. Next, it's an activity where the activity has to be done in a form of group, where few of the things are given, like for example bowls, spoons, water and other things. After taking that, try to dissolve some of the things in a glass. The things list is given below, and find out does the objects which are given are dissolved or not. What are the things which are given are salt, soil, chalk powder, spoon, milk, oil. Write your guest answers and do the activity and find out what happens after 2 minutes. While doing this experiment, Aisha and Hamid had an argument. The argument between them was, Aisha was feeling that the oil is going to dissolve when we are going to mix oil and water. But Hamid did not agree for that. Hamid was saying that, look, in the water you can see small oil drops which did when here they have to do an experiment. While doing an experiment, Aisha and Hamid had an argument among each other. The argument between them was Aisha said that after stirring the oil in water, the oil got dissolved in water. But Hamid did not agree. He said that you can see small droplets of oil in the water which is undissolved. After having this argument, the Aisha said, let's wait for some time and then see the results. Next it comes for racing drops. Aisha put 2 drops of oil on the lid of her tiffin box. Next to that she has put 2 drops of water and 2 drops of sugar solution. First 2 drops were of oil and next 2 drops were of water, and next 2 drops were of water which was mixed with sugar. She has tilted the lid. When she tilted the lid, she has seen that few drops slide down quickly, where some of the drops were sliding down slowly. Even you try to do this experiment and try to find out which drop is going to come faster when you have done this activity. Next, where did the water go? To understand that, children, one day the Aisha's mother put some water to the bowl in the stove for making tea. But as she was completely busy, she forgot that she has taken some water for preparing tea, which she kept on the stove. When she remembered about the tea, she came back to the kitchen and checked it. When she checked it, she has seen that a very little amount of water was left in the pan. According to you, what would be, children? So obviously the answer would be, it would have been evaporated. So now, children, the project is based on the experiments with water, and you need to write which object sinks and which object floats and why this is going to happen, and you need to explain the differences and there should be identified with which are the objects which gets dissolved in water and which are the objects which does not get dissolved in water. Try to do the project in an innovative way.